Hello everybody. Today I got a Bearcat 880 with an RFX-75. This is for Richard in North Carolina, and it's a tune-up report. There's the RFX there. We'll take a look at that. That's the kind of profile it has. Alright. So over here on this watt meter, I've got 10, 20, 30 watts dialed up on the bottom. It's going to be close to 15. Okay. And over here I have a 100 watt slug on my peak reading meter. Will be reading this across the bottom. There's 60 and 80.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio.
Okay. Good.